Have you ever wondered why it's crucial to choose Miracle Body and Paint for our lifetime guarantee and collision deductible discounts? Well, it's all about the peace of mind and financial benefits we provide. Knowing your auto body shop stands firmly behind its work, offering a lifetime guarantee, instills confidence and trust. Meanwhile, collision deductible discounts offer tangible financial savings, lightening the load on your wallet. It's not just about getting your car fixed. It's about assurance. It's about saving money. Clearly, it's more than just a repair. It's about assurance and financial savings. So, what exactly are the benefits of a lifetime guarantee and collision deductible discounts from your auto body shop? Well, let's start with a lifetime guarantee. This means that the auto body shop stands by the quality of their work for the entire life of your vehicle. It's a promise of quality assurance and long-term protection. If anything goes wrong due to the workmanship, they'll fix it at no extra cost to you. Now let's talk about collision deductible discounts. Accidents can happen, and when they do, the cost of repairs can be a financial burden. This is where collision deductible discounts come in. They reduce the amount you need to pay out of pocket for repairs, making the post-accident process less stressful and more affordable. Both these benefits work together to provide an auto care experience that's about more than just fixing your car. It's about peace of mind and financial practicality. These benefits truly make a difference in your auto care experience, don't they? Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Opting for an auto body shop like Miracle Body and Paint, which provides a lifetime guarantee and collision deductible discounts, is a wise choice. It's not just about the immediate financial savings. It's about the long-term protection of your vehicle and the peace of mind knowing that you're covered for life. You're not just repairing a car, you're investing in its future. Choosing the right auto body shop is a decision that impacts not just your car, but also your peace of mind and wallet. Choose wisely, choose Miracle Body and Paint.